Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to mute ringtone on Galaxy S23 phone. So to do that, we should first just launch the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see volume section, just tap here, and to mute ringtone volume you should slide to the left side this blue dot on ringtone volume panel. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first to do that we should turn off the switcher. To use volume keys for media we should turn it off to change the ringtone. And now let's just press the down volume button, and by this way we'll also mute the ringtone volume on our the Galaxy S23 device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.